Here are the 4 key things you need to succeed on Instagram in 2023. First, Reels. Reels. You want them for sure. If you're not doing them yet, it's time to start. These are going to be mostly top of funnel for reach and distribution, but they're going to help with your overall content strategy. 2 is carousels. Yes, they're still incredibly important. They give you a second chance for exposure and reach to your audience in the feed. So it's a second chance for them to see that caption, to see that call to action, to be able to follow through on what it is you want them to do. 3 is direct messages. Instagram's made a commitment to DMs and you can take advantage of that. This is where you can share links. This is where you can drive conversions. You can drive private conversations and build those relationships and lead to sales. So many things are leading to the inbox. You're going to want to take advantage. And finally, optimizing for search. Yes, SEO is essentially important on Instagram now. Things like your profile description, your captions, even your hashtags. You want to make sure that you have the right keywords that your audience is searching for, not just what you want to be found for, but the words that they are searching for should be in those 3 key areas. You have the 4 things that you need for Instagram success in 2023. For more training and resources for all things Instagram, make sure to check out profityourprofile.com, my membership program dedicated exclusively to Instagram marketing.